Hey, this is a big moment for me. Right here is a package that holds my first ever copies of my book, Roots and Wins, A Father's Message to Diaspora Children. Fantastic book. Let's just have a look. Ooh, drop this on the floor. Right, look at that. Don't they look nice? Well, beautiful, I must say. Right, now this book was actually, I wrote this book for my children and the many children that are living here in the diaspora. And of course, to the parents that are working with these children. Now, this book is actually right now on Amazon Kindle or Amazon, and you can get it in digital format and you can read it. If you have unlimited Kindle, you can get this copy and read it straight away. But if you are waiting for paperback book like this will be on Amazon, will be available on the 31st of May, just a few days from now, and you can order one copy for your children and everyone in your family. The copies that I have here, I'm going to give these to our children, one copy each. And I've actually signed it. And I think it's really important that they know that this is for them and they could refer to even when I'm not here. Now, right, again, I will repeat, this will be on Amazon on the 31st of May, will be available, and you should be able to get a copy for yourself. If you want to have a quick read, it is there right now on Kindle. I've been basically going through this and marking it up and highlighting and all that stuff. But it is there on Amazon. Get a copy for yourself. And don't forget this book as well. It's actually there, Building Dreams Across the Continent, and the subtitle on there is How to Build in Zambia While Living in the Diaspora. These books are on Amazon, and they will all be on Amazon. If you can't find it, just search for Kelvin Phiri on Amazon, and you will be able to get these books and other things that are there on Amazon. Now, I will end here, and I would just want to say thank you very much to everyone who has actually supported me throughout the journey writing this book. I do appreciate everything that you've actually spoken or said, and encouragement that you have given me, and that is really appreciated, so much appreciated. All right, so we shall leave it there today, but remember, let's keep on building across the continent, one step at a time. Until next time, God bless you. I'll see you in the next video.